Lily Collins is a renowned British American model and actress. In her modeling career, she has modeled for various brands and got several honors. She received the title International Model of the Year by the famous Glamour magazine and selected by the brand channel. In 2008, at an event ceremony at the Young Ноllуwоод Awards, she got honored under the title One to Watch. Early life and biography. Lily Jan Collins spent her childhood in Guildford, Surrey. Lily Collins belongs to a Russian Jewish, German and English parentage. She is the daughter of a musician Phil Collins and her stepmother Yyill Tavelman. In 1996, when she was 7 years old, her parents got divorced. She then moved to Los Angeles and stayed with her mother. She did her graduation from Narvard-Weđtlake Зсhооl. She later completed her bachelor degree in broadcast journalism from the University of Southern California. She wrote a book, Unfiltered, No Shame, No Regrets, Just Me, where she revealed that she had an eating disorder in her teenage years. Personal life. Lily Jane Collins likes to keep her personal life to herself, as she was disturbed by the way media complicated the relationship of her parents. That's the reason she is quite secretive about her relationships and has not shared anything with the media. However, there is some news in the media that tells that in 2012 she had been in a relationship with Jamie Campbell Boyd. The couple broke up in the year 2013. In 2015, Lily patched up with her boyfriend and expressed her desire to get married to Boyd. She has been known for her humanitarian works. She is an anti-bullying advocate where she has served as the representative of the Bystander Revolution, that is an anti-bullying association. Age, height and weight. Being born on March 18, 1989, Lily Collins is 32 years old as of today's date, 16 February 2022. Her height is 5 feet 6 inches tall and her weight is 65 kg. Career. She made her debut in acting in the movie The Blind Side. The actress reached new heights of success in 2012 from her performance in Mirror Mirror, where she played the role of Snow White. She also appeared in another movie, Stuck in Love, that got released in the same year. She was cast alongside Jennifer Connelly, George Kinner, and Ligan Lerman. Some of the popular breakthroughs in her acting career are as follows. Love Rosie released in 2014. The Blind Side released in 2009. Stuck in Love released in 2012. To the Bone released in 2017. Uja released in 2017. Token released in 2019. Extremely Wicked, Shocking Evil and Wild released in 2019. The Mortal Instruments, City of Bones released in 2013. The movie was based on the award-winning book, The Mortal Instruments series. Rules Do Not Apply released in 2016. For this performance, she earned a nomination in the Golden Globe Award. Awards and Achievement. In 2016, Lily won the New Hollywood Film Award. She was voted for a Golden Globe Award for the Best Actress for Motion Picture, Comedy or Musical Role as a Muriel Marbury in Rules Do Not Apply. Lily Collins is a reputed American and English actress who has an estimated net worth of $10 million as of February 2022. Lily has been a successful American TV personality, model, and actress. Music and acting were in her genes. She followed her childhood dreams and became an acclaimed actress of the present time. Besides her acting skills, she is also known for her significant contribution to the humanitarian case.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah,